Oh yeah, it looks much better compared to being naked with no tent. That definitely made a change. What is up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to show you guys what I'm up to. Bit of a flex, put central locking in the hatchback, which is always nice. Give it here. Central locking. Look at that. Loves it. But yeah, what we're up to is we're going to be tinting the brother-in-law's, what are we, NISSAN Patrol. So we've got no tint on the front windows, no tint on the back windows. I've tinted the back cargo area already, as you can tell. We'll duck in here and have a look-see. You see in there, she's already tinted. Now I've already gone and stripped the door trims off. Alrighty, one down, 4 to go, 3 to go. Tint cut. Let's go ahead and smack her on. Alrighty, so I got me spray bottle, soft squeegee, hard squeegee, and I'll go get me knife and scouring pad. Scouring pad, knife, it's for trimming the top of the window. Start scrubbing. Opposite side. You want to get that in one nice swipe, otherwise you're going to bring more dirt back in once you go back in again. Alright, give that a flush. Don't spray the top edge, which is the top edge. Keep about an inch away from that. Stops dirt from falling in. Get our tint. Booyah, just like that, she's in. Now go out the side, check the edges. Alrighty, looking good. Now we get my corner card. Squeegee out the top. Down one side. Push just one top corner out. Give her a spray, and away we go. Corner card again. Just run it around them edges. Make sure they're all tucked in nicely. I'll get my rag. Give her a clean. Sweet, now we'll do this one. Alright, so we want to start with the bottom of the window. Soft squeegee to the side. Flush. Wind it down so you got about an inch at the top, inch and a half depending on how comfortable you like it. Scrub the top off. Alright, now we get the tint. Slide it down into place. There we go. Now with this one we want to get our hard card first. Give it a spray so we don't catch the tint. Grab it with one finger in the corner. And swipe. That secures the top edge in place. Card. Down the sides. Now this is the tricky bit. We get our knife and we're going to cut the top edge nice and flush, and that's a custom fit. Alright, now we get back over with our hard one, give her a spray. Just a light spray. Alright, there we go. Dry off that top edge. Wind her up. And squeegee out the bottom. Just like that, one side done. Alright, so we'll pop the door trim back on and we'll do the other side. Alrighty, there we go. So now we repeat the same for the other side, and that's the back doors done. the back half done. I've just got the front 2 windows to do, and we're all done. Alrighty, so we got that side done. Come around here. Looks good. And close that up with the rest of them. Step back a bit. Yeah, look at that. I was going to do a sun strip, but it's already got a nice little built-in one in the windscreen, which is good, so won't worry about that. Yeah, looks much better. Won't bore you with the other side, so I'll just smack that out and see what it looks like. Alright, so we're all finished both sides. Have a look on the inside here. We've got 35 on the front, 20% on the back doors and the cargo area for those of you that are interested in that stuff. Yeah, transforms the whole look of the bloody car. Oh yeah, it looks much better compared to being naked with no tint. That definitely made a change. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to comment below on what you think. Like, subscribe, give us some ideas if you'd like. I've got a pit bike here that I can do stuff with. And I'll be doing a turbo giveaway at 1,000 followers. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.